In this video, we will be learning English idioms with meanings and sentences. Hit the sack. I am tired, so I am going to hit the sack. My mother usually hits the sack at sharp 8 p.m. A piece of cake. This competition was a piece of cake for me. Don't worry about my homework, it's a piece of cake. Once in a blue moon. I went for hiking once in a blue moon. Because I live abroad, I get to see my parents once in a blue moon. See eye to eye. They finally saw eye to eye on the business deal. Me and my sister do not always see eye to eye on going outside. Break a leg. Break a leg, Jane. I'm sure you can do this. I know he can break a leg during the show. Break the ice. His joke broke the ice and I get relaxed afterwards. My mother's motivation broke the ice in my exams. Spill the beans. She spilled the beans. I never spill the beans of my friends. Bite the bullet. I hate doing maths problem, but I will just have to bite the bullet. She had to bite the bullet for doing homework.